Hey guys, this is Jason at the Houston branch and wanted to share with you another lean improvement that we recently made regarding the flame polishing and the torch. The problem we were having is when we go to strike our torch, we inevitably lay it on the table, and sometimes whenever you're flame polishing a large piece on the table, you're moving around the table, and let's say you put out your torch or it goes out accidentally, we have to get up and then go to the other side of the table to get your your strike. So what we did was put the strike on a rubber band, and we made this little attachment for the hose where it just locks in place. And so as you're flame polishing, it moves with the hose, and it's always with the torch, so you never have to go looking for it or walk around the table to get it. So hope you enjoy this lean improvement.